Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to our channel Service Expert. Today we are delving into the world of electric vehicles. While EVs are the future of transportation, there are some crucial changes and potential buyers should be aware of. In this video, we are breaking down the 10 major problems of owning an electric vehicles. So, without further delay, let's get started. First on our list are the hustle of public charging stations. Despite the convenience they promise, these stations can be unreliable, requiring specific apps and often leading to long queues. The simplicity of charging your car can quickly turn into an frustrating experience. Next up, we have the unpredictable driving range. While EVs advertise impressive numbers, factors like extreme weather conditions and high-speed highway driving can significantly reduce your actual range. It's not as straightforward as the brochure might suggest. Moving on to the battery degradation, this is a significant concern for EV owners. Over time, an EV's battery loses its capacity, impacting the overall driving range. Most EV experience about 5 to 10% capacity loss over their first 100,000 miles, reducing the vehicle's overall efficiency. Maintenance and repair costs for EVs can be surprisingly high. While you might save on oil changes, the complexity of EV components, especially batteries, make repairs costly. Moreover, finding qualified technicians can be a challenge, further adding to the headache. Long-term reliability is a looming question mark in EVs. Unlike traditional vehicles with a proven track record, the longevity of EVs, especially as they age beyond a decade, remains uncertain. Buyers often worry about how well their EV will perform in the long run. The fear of battery failure is a genuine concern among EV owners. While manufacturers offer warranties, the dread of an expensive battery replacement after the warranty period keeps many buyers on the edge. A failed battery can essentially render the vehicles useless. The resale value is closely tied to an EV's battery health. As the battery degrades, the vehicle's value drops significantly, making it a challenging sell for owners. Potential buyers are often wary of investing in older EVs with questionable battery life. Insurance costs for EVs can be surprisingly high due to the expensive components and repairs. Insurance premiums are often steep. Many buyers might not anticipate the increased insurance expenses when transitioning to the EV. Of course, the initial purchase price remains a significant barrier for many potential EV buyers. While there are affordable options, top performing EVs can often come with a hefty price tag, making them inaccessible to the average consumers. Lastly, the limited charging infrastructure possesses a challenge. While it's improving, charging stations are not as widespread as gas stations, especially in certain regions. Limited access to charging stations can make very long journeys in an EV a logistical nightmare. So finally, as we talk about the conclusion, there you have it, the 10 major challenges of owning an electric vehicle. While EVs offer a promising future, understanding these hurdles is essential for making an informed decision. We hope this video has provided valuable insights. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content from Service Expert. Thanks for joining us today, and we will catch you in another video. Till then, just drive safe, stay safe.